Autumn vocabulary, cozy words for fall. Let's go. Crisp air, crisp air. The crisp air in the morning makes me want to wear a sweater. The crisp air in the morning makes me want to wear a sweater. Leaves, leaves. The leaves are turning red and yellow. The leaves are turning red and yellow. Pumpkin, pumpkin. I bought a pumpkin to carve for Halloween. I bought a pumpkin to carve for Halloween. Harvest, harvest. Autumn is the season of harvest. Autumn is the season of harvest. Bonfire, bonfire. We sat around the bonfire and told stories. We sat around the bonfire and told stories. Sweater weather, sweater weather. I love sweater weather. It's not too hot or too cold. I love sweater weather. It's not too hot or too cold. Chilly, chilly. The evenings are chilly, so bring a jacket. The evenings are chilly, so bring a jacket. Cinnamon, cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon in autumn desserts. I love the smell of cinnamon in autumn desserts. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice latte are my favorite fall drinks. Pumpkin spice latte are my favorite fall drink. Golden, golden. The trees look golden in the sunlight. The trees look golden in the sunlight. Rustling, rustling. I heard the rustling of dry leaves under my feet. I heard the rustling of dry leaves under my feet. Cozy, cozy. Autumn evenings feel so cozy with a blanket. Autumn evenings feel so cozy with a blanket. Apple cider, apple cider. Hot apple cider is perfect on a cold day. Hot apple cider is perfect on a cold day. Foggy, foggy. The mornings are often foggy in the fall. The mornings are often foggy in the fall. A scarf, a scarf. Don't forget your scarf. It's cold outside. Don't forget your scarf, it's cold outside. Candlelight, candlelight. I love reading books by candlelight in autumn. I love reading books by candlelight in autumn. Wood smoke, wood smoke. The smell of wood smoke reminds me of fall nights. The smell of wood smoke reminds me of fall nights. Archon, Archon. Squirrels collect Archon in autumn. Squirrels collect Archons in autumn. Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a big celebration in autumn. Thanksgiving is a big celebration in autumn. Frost, frost. There was frost on the grass this morning. There was frost on the grass this morning. Corn maze, corn maze. We went to a corn maze last weekend. We went to a corn maze last weekend. Hayride, hayride. The kids had fun on the hayrides. The kids had fun on the hayrides. Jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern. We carved a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. We carved a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. Crunchy, crunchy. I love the crunchy sounds of walking on dry leaves. I love the crunchy sounds of walking on dry leaves. Overcast, overcast. The sky looks overcast today. The sky looks overcast today. Lantern, lantern. A lantern gives a warm glow on dark fall nights. A lantern gives a warm glow on the dark fall night. Windy, windy. It's windy and the leaves are flying everywhere. It's windy and the leaves are flying everywhere. Misty, misty. The misty mornings makes the city looks magical. The misty mornings make the city look magical. Coat, coat. A warm coat is a must have in autumn. A warm coat is a must have in autumn. Breeze, breeze. Cool breeze makes autumn walks refreshing. A cool breeze makes autumn walks refreshing. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.